Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is a finger curl tutorial brought to you by me, Chandler. Alright, as you can see, my hair is a mess. So I wake up in the morning. Usually not all this, kind of already picked out a little bit. Usually not this afro-y. My hair is long, as you can see. So just know I got inches. Yes. All right. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna wash my hair before we do all that. I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after it's washed and all watered down. I'll show you guys what I wash my hair with and what you should use if you want curly hair or curlier hair. Because as you can see, man, my curls, they're there, man. They're there. Best believe you can see them. It's just all afro-y and picked out. Shouldn't have picked out my hair, but I did a little bit. But let's get started.
So I did not use Cantu in my hair today. I usually use it maybe a week or a couple days down the line after my curl, five days. This I do not use at all. I used to use it when I had shorter hair. Really good to grow your hair if you're trying to grow your hair. Yeah. And then this is what we're gonna be using to curl my hair today. Yeah, you can see what it is. Don't have to read it to you guys. You can find this at Walmart, pretty much anywhere, bro. Anywhere that sells hair products. This is what I wash my hair with. I use the Curls Unleashed. Just like a shampoo. You can probably find it at Walmart or pretty much anywhere. I use the Aussie conditioner. You leave it in your hair for like 3 minutes and then your hair gets curly. I don't usually use these products, and I usually only wash my hair once a week, but when I do condition my hair, it's usually before a retwist or halfway through a retwist, and I just want to condition my hair. But yeah, those are the products I use.
Okay guys, I just finished washing my hair. And as you guys can see, it is down. Now, I don't know, at this point, you kind of just want to let your hair dry a little bit. Don't use the towel to dry your hair. If anything, just give it a little wag like that, and you make a mess everywhere. All right, on to the finger curls. I am not doing it. I am having a friend do it. You guys will see. Okay, guys. So my hair is washed out, and now it is picked out. As you guys can see, my hair is fully picked out. I can run my fingers through it like ease. That's an afro, and we're about to finger curl it.
Especially from an outside donor.
If you have someone, then
Yes.
So guys, this is the after product. I usually wait a day or 2 days, and it gets like to like what I like the level of fluffiness, I would say. Because right now, like the curls are really like sleeking down, but after like a day or two, or maybe like a night of sleeping, it gets better for my look that I personally like. I mean, it looks perfect right now, don't get me wrong. The curls are nice. It's just like I like the after look after 2 days or maybe even 3 days. I like how the hair sits. And this lasts about 2 weeks usually for me if I don't go stick my head in completely underwater or go to the beach or anything like that. But other than that, man, you already know YouTube what to do. Like and subscribe. That's the video, and this is how you finger curl, finger coil, whatever you want to call it. So this was a picture 2 or 3 hours after it was done. I just wanted to show you guys again. And then the second photo is me the next day. And I just want to thank you guys again for watching. and appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys think anything. Thank you.